Apple Vision Pro is the most advanced personal electronics device ever. In fact, there is so much invention in Vision Pro that we filed over 5,000 patents during its development.
To tell you about the incredible new design of Vision Pro, here's Richard.
It's not often we get the chance to define an entirely new category, to establish the principles that will influence the design for years to come. Apple Vision Pro is the result of decades of our collective experience designing high-performance products like Mac, mobile products like iPhone, and wearable products like Apple Watch. All that learning has culminated in the most ambitious product we've ever created. To achieve our goals of performance, mobility, and wearability, we utilize the most advanced, lightest weight materials possible. The entire front of the product is a singular piece of three-dimensionally formed and laminated glass. It's polished to an optical surface, allowing it to act as a lens for eyesight and a wide array of cameras and sensors that need to have a view of the world. The glass flows seamlessly into a lightweight frame that houses a button to capture spatial photos and video, and a digital crown that summons the home view and rotates to control immersion levels of environments. It's machined from a custom aluminum alloy that gently curves to wrap around your face. This frame completes the form and is the primary structural element of Vision Pro, holding and protecting the components inside. This surprisingly compact form encapsulates an extraordinary amount of technology: displays, cameras, sensors, and even a high-performance computer, all kept cool by an efficient thermal design that quietly draws air through the system. In contrast to the high-precision front of the product, we created a rich combination of soft, textile parts that provide comfort and wearability. We studied thousands of heads to get a detailed understanding of the huge variation in cheek width, face angle, and head shape. This led us to design a modular system that allows us to tailor the product to fit you perfectly. The light seal comes in a range of different shapes and sizes, and flexes to conform to your face, delivering a really precise fit. Extending from the frame are flexible straps that conform to the head, ensuring the audio pods remain close to your ears. They deliver rich, spatial audio while keeping you aware of your surroundings. The headband is 3D knitted as a single piece to create a unique rib structure that provides cushioning, breathability, and stretch. The band attaches with a simple and secure mechanism, allowing you to change it for a different size or even a different kind of band. An easy-to-reach adjustment dial helps you secure the device comfortably and enables micro-adjustments during use. For those who wear glasses, we teamed up with Zeiss to create custom optical inserts that magnetically attach to the lenses. They accommodate a huge range of vision correction without compromising display performance or eye-tracking accuracy. Vision Pro supports all-day use when plugged in and up to 2 hours of use with the external high-performance battery. A separate battery means that you don't wear that weight on your head. The soft aluminum form slips easily into your pocket and connects via a supple woven cable. So that's the design of Vision Pro, our first ever wearable spatial computer. An incredibly capable and powerful tool that blends digital content with your world. To tell you about the technology we developed to enable these extraordinary experiences, here's Mike.
Creating our first spatial computer required invention across nearly every facet of the system. Apple Vision Pro needed to deliver huge amounts of compute performance in a compact wearable form factor. It needed an advanced real-time sensor system as well as incredibly convincing spatial audio. And of course, technological breakthroughs in displays. Your eyes see the world with incredible resolution and color fidelity. To give your eyes what they need, we had to invent a display system with a huge number of pixels, but in a small form factor. A display where the pixels would disappear, creating a smooth, continuous image. It starts with a micro OLED Apple Silicon backplane that fits 64 pixels in the space of a single iPhone pixel. They're just 7.5 microns wide. Combined, Vision Pro has 23 million pixels across 2 panels that are each just the size of a postage stamp. That's more pixels than a 4K TV for each eye. To magnify these panels and wrap them around you, a sophisticated lens solution was needed. We designed a custom 3-element lens with incredible sharpness and clarity. The result is a display that's everywhere you look, delivering jaw-dropping experiences that are simply not possible with any other device. It enables video to be rendered at true 4K resolution with wide color and high dynamic range, all at massive scale. And fine text looks super sharp from any angle. This is critical for browsing the web, reading messages, and writing emails. Now let's talk about audio. What you hear is critical to how you perceive the world. We wanted sound to feel like it was coming from the space around you, blending with the real world. So Vision Pro features an entirely new spatial audio system. Personalized sound is delivered through the integrated dual-driver audio pods, allowing us to create ambient spatial audio, where your brain is totally convinced that sounds are coming from the environment around you. Beyond personalizing sound to you, Vision Pro matches the sound to your room by analyzing the features and materials of your space using a technique called audio ray tracing. Precisely matching sound to your room is just one example of how Vision Pro makes use of its advanced sensor array. The system also provides high-resolution video to the displays, enables precise head and hand tracking, performs real-time 3D mapping, and more. A high-performance eye tracking system uses high-speed cameras and a ring of LEDs that project invisible light patterns onto the eyes for responsive, intuitive input. It's so precise, it completely frees up your hands from needing clumsy hardware controllers. Processing all the information from these sensors while simultaneously delivering an ultra-high-resolution experience requires a system with massive sustained computational power. It also has to remain cool and quiet. At the foundation of this system is Apple Silicon in a unique dual-chip design. It starts with the Apple M2 chip. It delivers phenomenal compute performance while allowing Vision Pro to maintain a comfortable temperature and run virtually silent. Running in parallel is a brand new chip called R1. This specialized chip was designed specifically for the challenging task of real-time sensor processing. It processes input from 12 cameras, 5 sensors, and 6 microphones. In other head-worn systems, latency between sensors and displays can contribute to motion discomfort. R1 virtually eliminates lag, streaming new images to the displays within 12 milliseconds. That's 8 times faster than the blink of an eye. So while M2 ensures that Apple Vision Pro delivers incredible standalone performance, R1 ensures that experiences feel like they're taking place right in front of your eyes. We also thought hard about how others can interact with you while wearing Vision Pro. iSight utilizes a unique curved OLED panel with a lenticular lens to project the correct perspective of your eyes to each person looking at you. The result is a 3D display that makes the device look transparent. For digital communication like FaceTime, Vision Pro goes beyond conveying just your eyes and creates an authentic representation of you. This was one of the most difficult challenges we faced in building Apple Vision Pro. There's no video conferencing camera looking at you. And even if there were, you're wearing something over your eyes. Using our most advanced machine learning techniques, we created a novel solution. After a quick enrollment process using the front sensors on Vision Pro, the system uses an advanced encoder-decoder neural network to create your digital persona. This network was trained on a diverse group of thousands of individuals. It delivers a natural representation which dynamically matches your facial and hand movement.
I'm doing well, thank you.
With your persona, you can communicate with over 1 billion FaceTime-capable devices. When viewed by someone in another Vision Pro, your persona has volume and depth not possible in traditional video. None of this advanced technology could come to life without a powerful operating system called Vision OS. It's built on the foundation of the decades of engineering innovation in macOS, iOS, and iPadOS. To that foundation, we added a host of new capabilities to support the low latency requirements of spatial computing, such as a new real-time execution engine that guarantees performance-critical workloads, a dynamically foveated rendering pipeline that delivers maximum image quality to exactly where your eyes are looking for every single frame, a first-of-its-kind multi-app 3D engine that allows different apps to run simultaneously in the same simulation, and importantly, the existing application frameworks were extended to natively support spatial experiences. Vision OS is the first operating system designed from the ground up for spatial computing. All of the incredible innovations in Vision Pro make it truly a one-of-a-kind device. There's simply nothing else like it. Apple Vision Pro is more than just a new product. It's the start of an entirely new platform. Another is the relentless focus we place on privacy and security. And that starts the moment you put on Apple Vision Pro, where it authenticates you with a secure yet effortless system called Optic ID.
This new system uses the uniqueness of your iris, which is distinct even with identical twins, to instantly unlock Vision Pro.
Optic ID data is encrypted, never leaves your device, and like Face ID, is only accessible to the secure Enclave processor. Optic ID works seamlessly with features like Apple Pay, App Store purchase, and password autofill. We also engineered privacy into Vision Pro in some important ways. For example, where you look is very personal. It can give away something about what you're thinking. In Apple Vision Pro, where you look stays private. Eye input is isolated to a separate background process, so apps and websites can't see where you are looking. Only when you tap your fingers do results get communicated, just like a mouse click or tap on other Apple devices. And camera data is processed at the system level, so individual apps don't need to see your surroundings. You can enjoy the experiences in Vision Pro knowing our world-class security and privacy features are right there with you. So that's Apple Vision Pro. With the most advanced displays we've ever made, a revolutionary spatial audio system, 2 powerful Apple Silicon chips, a groundbreaking spatial operating system, and a gorgeous design made from aerospace-grade alloys, Apple Vision Pro is the most advanced personal electronics device ever. In fact, there is so much invention in Vision Pro that we filed over 5,000 patents during its development. It's hard to believe all the capabilities Vision Pro delivers are possible in a standalone spatial computer portable enough to use anywhere. It lets you replace a desk full of monitors with infinite screen real estate, so you can be more productive than ever. It delivers stunning entertainment and personalized spatial audio. It provides powerful new ways to collaborate and stay connected. And for capturing and reliving memories, Vision Pro is simply in a class of its own. If you purchased a new state-of-the-art TV, surround sound system, powerful computer with multiple high-definition displays, high-end camera, and more, you still would not have come close to what Vision Pro delivers. Apple Vision Pro starts at $34.99. It will be available early next year on Apple.com and at Apple retail stores in the US,
with more countries coming later next year. WWDC provides the ideal time to share in-depth information about this incredible new platform with developers, and we will work with them over the coming months to create new and innovative apps for the launch of Vision Pro and beyond. And the Apple Store was built for moments like this. You will be able to engage with our team to learn more about this new platform, get a demo, and personalize your fit for Vision Pro.
We can't wait for you to experience Apple Vision Pro.